Hi. You're kind of a big deal, huh? You got a teething biscuit now. Look at you.
Those are cute.
Making such a mess.
Very cute pictures. What's so funny, Missy? You're so funny. Whenever she does that, it cracks me up. Oh, you're so noisy.
You are noisy.
Are you a noisy girl?
You love to sing.
Is you a noisy girl?
I think you're tired. I think you're tired.
I don't look very tired. Those are really cute pictures.
Can you wave?